Hi, good morning everybody. This is Fayaz Ahmad, Department of Physics, DVS IT, Kavali. Now today we discuss about the topic of difference between the conductors, insulators and semiconductors in the unit of semiconductor. So the differentiate explained with the help of the some parameters. The first parameter is energy band. So there are basically two bands are there for solids, valency band and conduction band. So how we have to differentiate of these two? For you come to the conductor, the conduction band and valency band overlap each other. That is, there is no energy gap. That is 0 electron volts. So this is nothing but the overlapping of these two bands for conduction. You come to the insulator. For this insulator, the conduction band and valency band are separated by 6 electron volts. That means the energy gap is very high. So that is 6 electron volts. You come to the semiconductor, the conduction band and valency band separated by 1 electron volt. That is the moderate. So that is the 1 electron volts. Now you come to the second parameter, charge carriers. So what are the charge carriers are available for conductors, insulators and semiconductors? You come to the conductor, the electrons are available in conductors. It is very high. You come to the insulator, there is no any charge carriers. That is 0. You come to the semiconductor. In semiconductor, both of the charge carriers are available. That is electrons and holes. It has a moderate value. Now you come to the position. What is the position of this current flow in these three conductors and insulator and semiconductor? Now you come to the for conductors, the current flow is due to electrons. Due to electrons. You come to the insulator. There is no current exist. There is no current exist. In semiconductor, the current flow due to the holes and electrons. Both charge carriers are involved in to get the current in semiconductor. You come to the next parameter is electrical conductivity. So for conductor, it has a high conductivity. That is good conductivity in this conductor because of due to this very high electrons. You come to the insulator, there is a 0 conductivity. That is, it is a bad. That means why? Because of there is no charge carriers. You come to the semiconductor, it is a moderate. That is nothing but electrons and holes are moderate. By adding the impurity, it becomes to the conductor. When you have to add the sum of the adding of, you get the doping process. You can get the you have to convert this semiconductor to the conductor. Next, you come to the next parameter is temperature coefficient. What is the temperature coefficient of this conductor? It has a positive temperature coefficient of a resistance. You come to the insulator, it has a negative temperature coefficient of a resistance. You come to the semiconductor, it has a negative temperature coefficient of a resistance. Now you come to the temperature effect on conductivity. What is the effect of temperature on conductivity? So already we discussed about the conductivity is very high, 0 and moderate. So what is the effect of the temperature effect on conductivity? The conductivity is decreases. When temperature is increases, the conductivity is decreases because of positive temperature coefficient of resistance. The conductivity is increases. Why? Because of it has a negative temperature coefficient of a resistance for insulator. In semiconductor, the conductivity also increases. Why? Because of it has a negative temperature coefficient of a resistance. So next parameter is effect of doping. So what is the effect of doping? Here what is meant by doping? Doping is nothing but adding of impurities to these materials. That is a conductor or insulator. When you are adding of the impurities to these materials, what happens? The effect of doping. The resistance is increases. Here resistance is increases. Why? Because of temperature decreases, resistance is increases. Next, insulator. For you come to the insulator, resistance remains unchanged. Why? Because it has an insulator. You come to the semiconductor, resistance is decreases. You come to the next parameter, current flow under the influence of electric field. So under the influence of electric field, how the current is flowing in those materials, conductors, insulators and semiconductors. It take place easily. Easily current flowing in conductor. Why? Because of there are free electrons are available in this one. You come to the insulator, does not take place. There is no current flowing in this. Why? Because of there is no any charge carriers are there. You come to the semiconductor, it has take very slowly because of it has moderate charge carriers are there, electrons and holes. Next you come to the next parameter at 0 degree Kelvin, how it can be behaves. At 0 degree Kelvin, the conductor behaves as a superconductor. The conductor behaves as a superconductor. What is meant by here? Superconductor. That means zero resistivity, infinite conductivity. You have to develop this. When at 0 degree Kelvin, it behaves as the conductor behaves as the superconductor. You come to the it behaves as an insulator at 0 degree Kelvin. Next, at semiconductor, it behaves like as a insulator at 0 degree Kelvin. Now you come to the what type of bonding is occurs in this these three materials. Bonding types. Next parameter is the bonding type. So in this one, ionic bonding. In this insulator, ionic and covalent bonds are there. In semiconductors, only covalent bonds are occur. You come to the best examples of those three materials are, for example, for conductors, it has a copper, mercury, silver, aluminum, water, and human body is the best examples of this conductor. Why? Because of it has a high conductivity and good current flow. And we come to the insulator. What are the examples? Wood, rubber, glass, dry air, etc. There is no current is passing in these elements. You come to the semiconductor. The best example of semiconductor is silicon, germanium, cotton, wool, sand, etc. So these are the differentiate of conductor, insulator, semiconductor by various compared to the various different parameters.